So this very gorgeous looking Jaguar MK2 is in for a major paint correction. We're going to be trying to get it looking as perfect as possible. We first began to try out a few different pad and polish combinations to see how this old classic paintwork would react. Now, as you can see, the two cutting combinations we tried made a massive difference to the paintwork already. However, it did leave it looking really cloudy, as you can see. But the hazing and cloudiness wasn't our biggest concern, as we can take care of that in the refining stage. For now, we just wanted to get rid of the bigger and deeper scratches in the paintwork. Now, as I'm sure you guessed, there's a lot of areas on this Jaguar that just can't be reached with a machine polish, so we took care of them by hand. As we were measuring the paintwork on the Jag, we could tell it had had a full respray on every panel, which meant it was safe to do a heavy cut like we are here. After performing the major cutting stage on the car, we then went round with another cutting pad, however using a slightly less aggressive polish. This was to try get rid of the haziness that was left over from the cut and any other scratches that had managed to survive. As you can see, the Jaguar paintwork was coming along very nicely. All that's left over for us to do now is to refine the car. This will help get rid of the hazy finish that you can see in the direct torchlight on the car, and it will really bring back the gloss in the paintwork. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, where you can be notified when we release part 2 of this Jaguar restoration.